is the boundary where the parent realizes I'm separate from them, and whatever they're...
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and you're like, why was he having this radio set sideways like this? Well, I'm listening to the AM band, and when you're on the AM band, the radios are very directional. And best reception is in that direction, so I have to make the radio antenna perpendicular to that direction. So if I, for instance, let me turn it back up. So it's nice and loud and clear. And if I turn it, lose the signal. So that's why I had it sitting sideways. Okay. This is another radio from Jeff's collection. This is a Sony. It's a ICF-S10MK2. And he says this is a legendary radio. I'm not sure what he means by that. I guess it means that it was very popular back in the day. He got this from the Facebook Marketplace in excellent condition, as you can see. Very, for as old as it is, it's really nice condition. Telescopic antenna, earbud jack, or earphones jack, on-off volume, tuning knob, band select, AM or FM, and a built-in carrying strap, which is cloth. Pretty nice radio. Very clean, good sound, plenty of volume. Let's just tune the bands and see what we get here. Turn the volume back up. And like I say, for medium wave or AM, I have to hold it sideways.
Orthotics as a gift. Put an end to suffering.
So we'll start tuning here.
And get free. You already use her for random. Best value. Call Advantage Gold. And person comes along, which is why.
Pick up lots of stations. Nice and clear and loud. Okay, we're top of the band. It does have a tuning indicator. So when you're locked onto a station, this will glow red. Let me turn the volume down. Good grief. This tuning indicator will glow red when you're locked in. We're now at the top of the band. Tuning is very smooth. Let me get my finger on the tuning knob. That would help. That's nice and smooth, no jumping. Okay, let's try the FM band. We'll extend the telescopic antenna. It uses 2 AA batteries, and I can't get to the end of the, hold on, I can't grab that. Oh, I got the wrong end. You gotta flip it up first, and then you can grab it and extend it. About 18 inches, not bad for a radio this small. We will go to the FM band. There we go. And we'll turn the volume back up. We're at the top of the band. And this we don't have to worry about directional. So here we go. Not quite locking in on that one. Yeah, it's locked in. Picking up lots of stations. And a lot of interference from all the electronics in my room. Very clear, not tinny. It's helpful if I keep the antenna vertical. Let's see if it's rotatable. No, it's not rotatable.
2 payments. This incredible finance offer.
Well, let me check again closely. No, definitely not rotatable, so you have to be a little careful you don't break the antenna.
1-800-747-3733.
Locked in.
Hollywood with Ryan Seacrest.
1977.
Ooh, that's
I am still
really locked in.
Each time I study a section, I discover something new, and I'm sure we've barely scratched the surface.
That
Love the
sounds
ride.
good.
Here's some gas money.
I'm
Well, that's great. Thank you,
amazed
Sharon.
at
Now
the
here's
quality
another
of the
friend in
sound.
Shelton, Washington.
Very,
Been so
very
blessed
clear,
during
no
our
tinniness.
time listening to Through the Bible. My husband
Good
and I listen
Sony
together
product.
as we eat lunch. The book of Revelation
Well,
really
Sony
came to
makes
life.
great radio, or made great radios.
Let's just take
Okay, we don't want music.
25 cents each. Every
Yeah, it's locking in.
and your dignity. Call us for a free call.
I'm tuning a little fast, so I'm locking it in. On every station. Let me see if I can go down here at the bottom of the band where that Tampa station is. About 89.7. Right about there. There. That's it.
For others to get through. I'm Craig Kopp, WUSF.
WUSF, yep.
89.7 News.
Usually if I don't quite have it tuned in, but anyway. Usually if I can get that station free and clear, it's pretty good radio. So it's got good sensitivity. The tuning is nice and smooth. Perfect condition. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios to show to you. And I want to thank you for watching. We made it. We're over 15,000 subscribers. I want to thank everybody that has subscribed. I want to really thank all those people that have been making comments. I've been getting comments on videos that are 6 years old. I really appreciate your comments. I want to thank you for stopping by and have a great day. Bye-bye.